everybody, I'm LEGO Separator. So today we're going to be playing with a set number 60025 from LEGO City, and it was released in 2013. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, Harry, guide us in then. Alright, let me just jump out. Alright, go on that way. Okay, good. Okay, reverse slightly. Okay, come back, reverse a little bit. Beep, 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 and stop. Now I'm just gonna take the car out, and then we can move the truck out of the way. Beep. Okay, you can move forward. Alright, the truck is parked. Have you got the car ready there? Yeah. I can't believe that we're actually at the racetrack. I can't believe that I'm on this team. Well, you'd better start believing that, because you're going to be knocking everybody over if you don't be careful. We need to check this car over and make sure that it's ready for our... What? We need to check this car over and make sure that it's ready for our racing driver. Oh, yeah! Bob! When's he coming? You're a teammate. You can't act like a fan. Oh, sorry. How are we gonna check this car over? Using the tools. Here are the tools and also the spare wheel and this brake sign over here. Oh, great. Okay, what should we start off with first? We'll try giving it a little bit of a hit with a hammer. Oh, alright. Hammer, where's the... Oh dear. Oh, don't worry, we make messes around here at pit stops all the time. Okay, good. Are you alright, sir? Hammer. Found the hammer. Okay, give it a little hit with the hammer. It sounds good. Howdy, folks. What are you doing? Bob! Oh, it's the new one on the team, am I right? Yeah, it's Harry. You're fixing up my car. Yeah. Look, I hit it with a hammer, and it's great. What? Okay, that's, great. Anyway, anytime that I can take it down to the track to give it a little test run. Oh, yeah, certainly. Can you please tidy up a little bit so we can move the car? Okay, alright. There we go, spick and span. Do you have leg failure as well? You alright there? You want a drink? You want a coffee? Is your windscreen a little bit clean? Yes, thank you. Can you let me drive now? Oh, yeah, of course. Whoa! Well done, you successfully fitted out the car. Oh, yeah, thanks. No problemo. Now, let's see if we can catch a donut. Alright then. But that's the end of our video, so I hope to show you more in the future. And until next time, I'll be playing.